This is Earth, our home, and it's always been our home. Earth is the only place in the universe that we know of so far that supports life as we know it. We have been living on this planet for millions of years, and our planet has changed a lot throughout its history. But when Earth first formed, it was a completely different planet. Back when it first formed, the Earth was uninhabitable completely. Instead, it was a molten, bubbling, lava-covered planet with no hope of life. No life could survive on Earth during the time of its formation. And therefore, Earth was a toxic planet. No life has formed yet or evolved. However, one moment in its history changed everything. About 4.4 billion years ago, a planet the size of Mars called Theia smashed into Earth, of which a smaller chunk of it became the Moon, and the rest of Theia today lies right under our feet. Theia created the new Earth after it smashed into it. But things changed for the worse. Around 2.4 billion years ago, Earth was an ice ball, and therefore was in the very first ice age in its history. All the land masses were covered in nothing but ice. It was so cold that nothing could survive at all. But as time went on, the Earth and its land masses began to take shape as its oceans formed. And when the oceans first formed, life on Earth was ready to begin. And the very first inhabitants were tiny, microscopic, singular-celled organisms like bacteria and stuff. They were the first to take foothold on this planet. As you're now seeing here, each of the land masses have changed throughout the years. From the Cambrian period, where the first true life forms began to take place on Earth, to periods such as this, where life gained a foothold on land. And then Pangaea formed, which was the first supercontinent ever. And as time went on, the dinosaurs ruled the Earth. But then the Earth went into an ice age. As millions and thousands of years went by, the entire planet, from north to south, except the equator, was covered in ice. And that's how we got here, from first evolving in Africa millions of years ago. Today, Earth is the only place in the universe that we know of that can support life, with intelligent life. But however, these land masses that you're looking at right now, they won't stay like this forever, because scientists have predicted that what's going to happen next in the next few million years is this: a new supercontinent called Pangaea Proxima. This is what scientists will predict will happen to Earth in the next 250 million years or so, where all the continents will come back together to form Pangaea Proxima. But that's a long ways away from happening. So don't start worrying yet, because we'll all be long gone by the time Pangaea Proxima takes shape. But for now, we can relax and enjoy the paradise of our home, that is planet Earth.